I never imagined in a million years at 45 years old with a 98% vision loss that I would be a professional athlete on a national team. I like to say that adversity is my superpower. 23 years ago, I was diagnosed with a rare form of uveitis. I ended up battling that disease for many years, going through immunosuppressive therapy, chemotherapy, multiple surgeries, and I gained 75 pounds from all of the steroids. And I was really frustrated because I was a former athlete. I was a swimmer all through high school. I played soccer. I played tennis. The one thing that I could do with my vision loss at that point safely was swimming laps. And eventually started doing some spin classes along with my guide dog. My vision loss had progressed to about 5 degrees of visual field in my right and 10 degrees of visual field in my left. So I was definitely legally blind at that point. And so I started running on a treadmill while holding on and tying myself to either side using an elastic band so I didn't fall off. And through social media, someone had said, well, you're swimming and biking and running. Have you thought about doing triathlon? And I thought that sounded crazy for someone with vision loss or who was blind. But they actually explained to me that it was going to be a sport that was going to be included in the Paralympics in Rio in 2016. So I did my first race in 2013 with a guide, a woman who serves as my eyes while I swim, bike, and run. We swim and run tethered next to each other, and we race on a tandem bike. And did the race in 2013 and had so much fun, and actually was fast enough to get the attention of the US National Team. I'm currently ranked #1 in the United States for blind athletes and #6 in the world. And if everything goes according to plan, Lord knows how this season goes, fingers crossed, I'll be heading to Tokyo this summer to represent the United States. I would say what inspires me and motivates me is the hundreds of patients that reach out to me on a monthly basis and parents of patients who say that their daughter follows me on Instagram or they follow my story and all the surgeries that I've had. And I'm excited to know that I'm motivating people to go take some ownership and take care of their eyesight while they have it. Glaucoma Research Foundation has given me hope. I am so excited for the future for myself as a glaucoma patient and for the hundreds of thousands of glaucoma patients around the globe. They're paving the way for patient education, paving the way for physician education and research and finding new cures. But more importantly, letting people know that there's somebody working on this nonstop and that it doesn't have to be a disability. It can be something like, in my case, that can become your superpower, and showing people that there's a path forward. There's a team of really, really smart people working to make the best possible outcome for all of us.